Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can create a digital planner and sell on Etsy. So let's get started. First, you have to log in or sign up with your ID. To sign up or login, you can go here and you can just do login. After doing login, you have to click on sell that I am like you have to click here a button. It's there, sell on Etsy, or you have to click on shop manager. You will redirect you to this page. Then you have to select your shop preference. I am selecting my shop language as English and shop country as India and shop currency as rupee. What I am doing next, you can select a shop name. I am selecting like Gisa, like Risa Designs or Risa Creation, like Risa. I'm doing like Risa Design. Do next. After doing this, like it's showing your create a listing. Let's create a listing. Here is we will create a digital planner. As you can see, digital planner is like solding like anything. You can see the reviews of 15k, 9k, 4.9k, 5.8k. Now this is a very good product to sell on Etsy. To create, I am using Canva. You can just download it or you can search there Canva. You can search Canva. You can go. I have installed its computer version, PC app. You can just do from there. Same, it's all same. When you will log into Canva, it will look like this. So here I am doing like digital planner template. I'll tell you something. The digital planner format will be on A4 size paper, A4 size, because it is printed by the customer. That's why we are doing like A4 size format. In A4 size format, let's create a planner. We can create a weekly planner. As you can see, we can use this template. It is looking good. You can use as this template. We are not using this. This is not looking that good. We can edit by ourselves to do like digital planner. You can make like this big, and we can also add like weekly planner. Next we can write it as a week goal. It's like something that first we have to select a good background. This background is looking good, or this patterns also looking good. These patterns are looking good. We can do this we can select this type of pattern in this, or we can choose our gradients or extracts, and also choose our texture also. This is looking good. Here it is looking aesthetic, more aesthetic, this one. So we add a text, we are heading like week goals. Yeah, right at the top, week goals. Do like week goals. To edit this, you have to like do this. We will change first. We have to change the color. It's not looking good. We can change it to our like we will look good. That is to purple, and we will add some effects. It's looking good. Week goals. Week goals. We can add as week goals. Then we can add here as week goals. First we can add Monday. You can edit the text also, or first you have to edit this text. it will look good. Or we can do this. This is looking better. The same text we can do here. We can do this text. We can just effect, and we can change color. Let's do pink, or we can do blue also, or just blue, or yellow, green. Green is looking good for Monday. We will draw some lines here. To draw lines, you have to go to element, and at the top you can search like line, or you can write the line. You can just create a line using this, like I am drawing like line, this line. See, this line is drawn. You can do same 2-3 lines. Let us draw a line here, like second line. We can match the length. It's looking good. We can do next. Here we can do just 0°. Yes, you can just increase the line size. It should match. Yes, we have done like 3 lines. We can do next page. It's looking good. We can do next. Okay, we have to change the background for next one. I am selecting another texture. We can choose this texture also. No, it's not looking good. Nature, or we can use this types of texture. This or this. We use this type of texture. We can use like Monday, then Tuesday. Add a heading here to Tuesday. We can just edit the text to this, or we can first we have to make all things like different from each other. It will look better. Selecting some titles, we can do this neon. No, neon will not good after it will printed. We will do this. We can change the color. Black or yellow, green. This is looking good, but not that good, but it's looking good. We can add lines by go to element, then lines is there. We have to add line, and line you have to just add it to 0°. 0, simple. This line is added. We have to add more lines. Give some space, add line, give some space. Some lines, 0° to 0°. You can add to 0. Yes, it's looking like some tilt. We can do this, or we can draw a line to 0°. You can make more or change the background. Same. Let us select this. This is not looking good. We can select a normal pattern. Let us select this. No, this is not matching with our theme. We can do this. No, this is also not matching. We can do this type of thing. Oh, it's done in second page. We have to do on third page to this. You can upload text, add a heading. You can use your creativity and create your. This is 4 page done. Then we can add Monday, Tuesday, then Wednesday, Wednesday, yes, Wednesday. Then we have to edit the text. We can add any text that we want. This thin is also looking good. Wednesday. We can just add to mid. We can add lines to our text, and we can also use some effect if you want to use it. Looking normally good. You can add lines. Add lines. Then we will go next line. Then third line. I have to match the line space also to each and every line because it matters a lot. We can just make some big line to big line. Oh, it's like tilted. Like to match this line, you have to 0 degree. Match this line 0 degree. Like it's something till we can do this. Like 0, not -0. It's 0. Yes. Again, as we can see, we are making three lines in each. You can make more to Wednesday and Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then finally you have to click on the download button. Simply download. It will be downloaded as a PDF, standard PDF. Let's do enter. It's downloaded. Now let's make a mock-up of it. To make a mock-up, you can just do this. To you can just to make a mockup, we can just delete all because we have downloaded. We can create on this, edit image, edit this photo, create a mockup. We can mockup. Then we can create a mockup on this hand. This looking good. You have to just put this image like in this, detach from background, put this and this text also. Oh, like we have to just export it first. We can change the format to JPG. Then we have to create a new, like we can change A4 document, which like this. We have to import our image. We can upload our file. You can see it's there. We can click on edit photo. Then we can do mockup. Then we can make this mockup. We have to just enter this image into this. Wait for a second. It's making. Then do bigger. Make it bigger like this to fill it with this. Yes, as you can see, it's done. Now we can just download it in PNG format. Like its existing design, I can just create a name like mockups. Enter. Okay, here is our design ready. We can change here from here. We can do this. We can add this. We can add this both photo. We are making this thumbnail, so we can just adjust this. We can just adjust this. You can make this. Will it look good? You can create more mockups by using Canva. You can upload a video of, you can make a video by using Canva or editing apps. You can upload a video also. It's a digital product. We have to click on digital. And who made it? I did it. A finished product. I made it what? Let's add a title. Title to like digital, digital, like digital weekly planner, or to make like we can write here digital digital planner templates, digital. I'm writing like hello. We can add a tag material. We can like give the price like 500 rupee. It will be approx to $5 in USA. Then this like made to be order. No, I will like I have done. No, let's create this. We have to upload the file. This file we have to upload, and this also we can upload this both. First we will upload this PDF. This is uploaded. This is done. As we can see, our digital plan is done. You can add more photos by creating through Canva. Do next. You can just do it later. You can get a more listing. It's looking good. You can here verify or all details. If you find this video helpful, then please like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.